Numerical analysis, we will carry on our last session 2 weeks ago, and we will continue our finite difference. Now, finite difference, as we stated before, it is delta y sub k equals yk plus 1 minus y sub k, where k indicates the location of the value. And as highlighted before, this is the template, or this is the table of how we calculate the differences. So this is the first difference, this is the second, and this is third, and this is fourth. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first, second, third, fourth differences. We will highlight this one fully in this example. Compute up through the third differences. So it is third differences means up to this difference. Third differences are the discrete function displaced by y sub k and x sub k and y sub k columns of the table. So this is the table. K indicates the serial number. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. X of x sub k, these are the pairs. So it is x and y. So this is the first pair is x1 or x0. It is 1, 1. Now the point at 0, k equals 0. So the point is 1, 1. This is x, this is y. For k equals 1, the value of, this is value of x and y. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 8. This is the meaning of k. So x of, and so on. Now, from this table, we can just calculate the finite differences. Now, you see, these are all given. These given. Okay, how can we calculate the first difference? It is very easy. The first difference, this column, the first difference. So the first difference is this one minus this one. So 8 minus 1, it is 7. 27 minus 8, it is 19. 64 minus 27 is 37. And so on. So for this value, it is 5, 1, 2 minus 2, 4, 3. It is 1, 6, 9. So this is the first difference. Now, this is the second difference. You see, the second difference, it is exactly the same. So it is 19 minus 7, it is 12. 37 minus 19, it is 18. 61 minus 37, 24. 91 minus 61 is 30, and so on. This is the second difference. This is the first difference. Now, the third difference, it is the same. This one minus this one. So it is 18 minus 12. It is 6. 24 minus 18, 6. 30 minus 24, 6. And so on. So this is the third difference. We can stop at this point because in the question, in this example, is asked only to find the third difference. So we can stop at this point. So this, now you can easily, you see, delta y sub k, it is actually this one, you see, y sub k. You can now understand these symbols very easily, and these x naught, y naught, these are the pair of coordinates. It is x and y. Now we will go to another example for the finite difference.